How to use Power Powder Granular. In this video, we will use the example of Leslie's Power Powder Granular Chlorine 70. Leslie's Power Powder Granular Chlorine is a powerful pool shock that quickly dissolves and combats any bacteria, algae, or contaminants in your swimming pool. Shocking your pool or spa regularly is necessary to keep your pool free of any unwanted contaminants. Power Powder Granular is made of powerful calcium hypochlorite and has 70% available chlorine, which leaves your pool clear, clean, and ready to use. Dosage for pools. 1. Dosage for unstabilized pools. Add 6 to 8 ounces per 10,000 gallons daily. 2. Dosage for stabilized pools. Add 3 to 4 ounces per 10,000 gallons every other day. 3. For shock treatment / superchlorination. Add 10 to 20 ounces per 10,000 gallons weekly. Useful tips. It is recommended to wait 72 hours before swimming in the pool after Power Powder shock treatment. The water should be tested before entry to the pool, and most experts would suggest that 8 hours is enough. We recommend treating in the evening and waiting at least 18 to 24 hours before swimming. Thank you, I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa for us. Bye.